Hello and welcome to a tutorial in which we are going to explain how to import the STR.Domains wallet into the SourceLess wallet. We proceed by creating a new account for test only. We type in our email address, our password. Remember, this account is only for testing. Do not use those details are shown in this video. Here we have displayed the public key and the private key, which we are going to save them in a file or somewhere else. We need to confirm this after we save them securely, and this is the pop-up with the STR.Domains dashboard. Now we head over to Google Play, search for SourceLess, download and install SourceLess Wallet, click open, and then here we select import using seed phrase. We change to private key. In the first field we paste the private key. I'm showing it to make sure it's the same one with the one from the STR.Domains. We set a password and then we click on import. The wallet now is imported. It takes 1 to 3 seconds to load, and here, as we can see from both screenshots, we are using the same wallet address. Thank you.